This video is about creating and uploading warning announcements, and so you're going to need to start with two tabs open, Google Drive and LCPS Go. So in your Google Drive, you're going to go to Shared Drives and click on 2021 to 22 announcements, and then you're going to click on Announcements Logistics. And in that folder, you're going to find a document that says 2021 to 22 announcements post. You're going to open that and just leave it open. And then we are going to go to LCPS Go and open Video from there. This will load in a new tab. So you'll have multiple tabs open. And in Video, you're going to click on Projects. And then within Projects, click on Shared with Me. And then within Shared with Me, you're going to click on 2021 to 2022 morning announcements. And you're going to click on the video that has the numbers and then the month and 2021 in it. And this will open up a project where you can edit the morning announcements. So we are actually going to use your mouse to select everything that's there except for the Pledge of Allegiance. Delete it, and then you're going to click on Project Media. So Project Media is where Dr. Brewer is going to upload all the videos that he wants you to upload for that morning's announcements. And so if you want to ever check if the videos are there, you can go back to Google Drive, click on the month and day, and then confirm that parts A through whatever are there. So you've deleted all the videos, and now we're going to go back into Video and put things in order. So for this example, this was December 16th. There are 5 parts, part A to E. So I'm going to start by dragging part A onto the video track. And I am going to next find part B, drag part B after part A, and then find part C, drag that on, part D and E. And just a heads up, each part could either be Dr. Brewer speaking or it could be an announcement from a club. So you're going to assemble those in A, B, C, D, and E order. You can hover over the track to see the name of it. And then sometimes you're going to have extra things to layer on top. Those are going to go on the first track. So if I notice that I have something to layer on top, I'm going to drag it to where it says it needs to be. So a part A clip goes on top of the part E video. And if I ever want to confirm where it goes, I'm going to go back to Google Drive and I'm going to click on the name of it and hover over it to see that this is going to go from 1 to 15 seconds of part E. So what that means is I'm going to consider the start of part E 0, and I'm going to extend the clip so it lasts 15 seconds or thereabouts. Okay, so I've put the first clip in, and just for the sake of an example, I'm going to press play just to see if it pops up when I need it to. And it pops up over Dr. Brewer's head, and I'm going to click pause. And just for the sake of example, let's say that I am now done and ready to export my video. So I'm going to make sure my video is called the next sequential number. I'm going to call it by the month and the day that we're in. So I'm just going to change this to January 3rd. And I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click the blue finish button in the upper right corner. And I'm going to select an image to be shown as the thumbnail for when the video uploads. Does not matter which. I'm going to select HD for high definition. You do not need to select anything else. You do not need to select YouTube. Just make sure that the Video triangle is selected. The export button is at the very bottom. You might need to scroll down, and you're going to want to make sure it's marked as upload to public and then click export. And it's going to take a little while to export, but when it's done exporting, you'll get this lovely link, which you're going to highlight. And then you are going to go back to Google Drive, click into the announcements folder, click back into the logistics folder, click into the announcements post video here link, and this is going to take you to a Google Doc. You are going to rename the first line to whatever today's date is. So for example, January 3rd, and you are going to replace the previous video link with whatever the link that you exported was. And make sure you click the space button so it pops up as a link, and then select today's date, click the linking button, and then paste the link. And you should be good to go. Now, if you want to check that you uploaded properly. We're going to open a new tab and we're going to go to lcps.org/DHS. Press enter, wait for it to load, scroll down a little bit, click on the announcements tab, and voila, we see January 3rd announcements. You uploaded it perfectly. Congratulations. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, we are going to go back to the announcements page and we're going to scroll down to the very bottom, click users, click sign in, and you are going to sign in with your LED information. And then we're going to go back down to the very top of the page, click edit page. It'll open the web page editor. Scroll down to where you see video mini base, click the green pencil, and you're going to see the URL of the video. We're going to click edit, and then you're going to paste the new URL of the video you just created. Click save. This saves it automatically. You don't need to do anything else. Just click the X button, exit out of that tab, and scroll back down to the bottom of the announcements page, click users, and then click sign out, just so it signs you out of the web editor. So again, if you did all this properly, you will have correctly uploaded the announcements. Thank you so much for helping me out, and have a good day.